you all, family? Hope you all doing great. Yeah, yesterday couldn't make any video because was a little busy. Yeah, but today I need to drop something for you so that you can learn it. That's why I'm here. Yeah, praise 6th of June. I think tomorrow is my birthday. So you guys, I'm expecting my gift from you. Yeah. Today's teachings is all about protection when traveling to somewhere. Yeah, you protect yourself with this when traveling, or when you are on motorbike, or you are in car, so that if anything bad happen, uh, it will not happen to you too, or you will not get any effect from that, maybe let's say accident. Yeah, from that accident, yeah, you will not get any effect from that accident. So this is simple. Yeah, this is so simple, and hope everybody will get these items. Yeah, because you can get some and buy, and it's very simple. So first of all, you will use this teachings about protection of accident. You will use cat eye seed, not the leaves. Cat eye seed, and yeah, the cat eye, some people call it club eye, but you check the pictures. Yeah, but I hope you know it. And alligator pepper too. Yeah, so this you use the cat eye seed and the alligator pepper. So let's go and check it. If you don't know it, then you will say it, then you will know how to use it. So let's check it, and don't forget white hanky too is among. So let's go and check it and explain it to you well, so that you can do it better. Yeah, stay blessed. Yes, so this is the crab eye or cat eye seed that you will use. This is the picture. So if you don't know the name, check the picture and ask. You get some to buy in the market. And this is alligator pepper. Yeah, I hope everyone knows alligator pepper. So this, either market or spiritual store, both two items, either market or spiritual store, you will get them to buy. Yeah, you will get them to buy. So this is the picture, and alligator pepper is very powerful, as many people know it, yeah, very well. So check the picture below, so that you will not do any mistake, because this is powerful spell you need to do. So this is the pictures. Hope you guys saw the pictures. Yeah, hope you guys saw the pictures. So this one, when you get a white hanky, and I hope you guys know how to blake the alligator pepper for it to work powerful. Yeah, if you don't know, I'm going to show you now. So when you get the handkerchief, then you get your cat eye leaves, sorry, the cat eye seed. The cat eye seed, it will take 16. Yeah, the seeds, it will take 16 of the seed. And the alligator pepper too, you take 16 seeds of alligator pepper. You put it in the middle of the white handkerchief. But first of all, let me explain how you blake your alligator pepper. First of all, you will say your needs, maybe about the accident. Maybe alligator pepper, I'm traveling, or I'm going to this place, but I will take car or motorbike or even bicycle. So protect me and don't let anything bad happens to me. Yes, then you say any needs, or even if you are not taking car or motor, you can do it, so that you will prevent yourself from bad people. Yeah, like armed robbers and other. You can do that to protect yourself from them. So when you talk on to the alligator pepper, then you put the alligator pepper at your back. you put it in your hand at your back. Yeah, you put it at your back, then you break it at your back. When you break the alligator pepper, then you bring it into your mouth again, then you talk on it again, then you remove the 16 seed from it. Yeah, the 16 seed, and you add it to you add it into the cat eye seed in the white hanky. Yeah, you put it in the middle of the white hanky, then you band it. Yes, you band it, then you put it in your bottles, or you can hold it. So when you are in the car or on the motorbike, then you use the art hanky where the items the where the seeds, alligator pepper seed and the cat eye seed, you use there to clean your face. Yeah, you use there to clean your face as your handkerchief. Yeah, so do that. You use continuously, clean your face continuously, then nothing bad will happen. Or when you clean your face, then you put it in your pocket, then you can, within 10 minutes you can clean your face again and put it in your pocket again. Even if accident happen, there is nothing will happen to you. Yes, so if you don't understand about anything, just drop comment below so that I will explain it. Or if you don't know it, you can drop your comment so that even if your friend know, your friend can explain it to you well. Let's help ourselves. Yeah, we need to help ourselves, so let's do it to protect ourselves. You can teach your brothers and sisters to, and you can invite your friends on this channel so that they too can learn much. Please don't be selfish. Yes, invite them on this channel so that they too can learn more. Yes, so let's help ourselves. Yes, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like before leaving. Stay blessed and have a nice day. Bye bye.